Now let's discuss the second law of exponent. In the first video tutorial, we discussed about the first law of exponent, that was multiplying powers with the same base. In this one, we are going to discuss the second law of exponent, that says dividing two powers with the same base. What does that mean? If we take two powers, let's say the first power is 2 to the 10th power, and if we divide this power by 2 to the 5th power, so we have two parts, 2 to the 10th power and 2 to the 5th power. We are dividing them. So the second law of exponent says that whenever you have such condition where the two powers have the same base, because 2 is the base in this power and 2 is the base in this power, the bases are the same. So what we do is simply write this base, that is 2, and then from this exponent, that is actually the numerator one, subtract the exponent of the denominator power. So you get 2 to the 5th power. And if you want to see the proof, then let's do this. So this is 2 to the 10th power. That means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then simply copy it. 5 C.B.E. So we are multiplying 2 with itself 10 times and then divide this. This is 2 to the 5th power, that is this one, right? So we have 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is we are multiplying 2 5 times with itself. Now clearly this 2 can be removed, right? So we are left with 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that is 2, and how many times we are multiplying it? 5 times. This is the exponential form notation of this one, right? So clearly what we have written here is actually what we have proved here. So let's take another example. Let's say our number is 10 to the 5th power divided by 10 to the 2nd power. The second law of exponent says that this should be 10, that is a base. The bases are the same. 5, this exponent, minus 2, the exponent that is in the denominator power. Okay, so this gives you what? 10 to the 3rd power. And now if you want to see the proof, let's do this. This will be 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, and this comes as 10 times 10. Now it's gone. We are left with 10 times 10 times 10. So we can write this as in an exponential form. In the exponential form, that is 10 to the 3rd power. Now clearly it's same as this one, right? So if we have to generalize it, then if we have a power that is a to the mth power divided by a, that is another power, to the nth power, a to the nth power, this gives you a m minus n, this exponent minus this exponent. This is the generalized form of the second law of exponent, right? So if we take some other example, let's say we have 1000 to the 500th power divided by 1000 to the 200th power. So from this one you get 1500 minus 200 and you get 1000 to the 300th power. Let's take another one. If we have 10 to the 7th power divided by 10 to the 8th power, this gives you 10 to the 7 minus 8, that is 10. If you subtract 7 and 8, what do we get? We get minus 1, right? So this is 10 to the minus 1th power. Okay,